Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let's introduce you this nice looking and good devices Bangs Infinity Omni 3-in-1 wireless charger stand. Experience unparalleled convenience with the Bangs Infinity Omni 3-in-1 wireless charger stand. This is a stylish and a versatile charging solution designed for our phone, for our Apple Watch, and our Apple AirPods. One charger, fewer cables, more space for our work and for our life. We have a strong magnetic connection, ultra fast charging up to 15 watt for the phone, maximum 7.5 watt for the iPhone, 5 watt for the AirPods and Apple Watch. Free angle adjustment. That's for iPhone, that's for Apple Watch and AirPods. And on the bottom plate, it's available, of course, for other smartphones too. The Infinity Omni, one step for all. One charger, fewer cables, more space for work and life. We have an elegant all-in-one charging solution. Minimalistic design, excellent aluminum alloy. This material is a maximum charging capability for all our devices. And reliable magnet charge station. We have strong magnet connectivity, providing reliable charging for our devices. And an Apple Essential charging solutions. That's perfect for Apple lovers. This charger units are essentials and a convenient charger too. All-in-one fast charging innovation, baby. Magnetic fast charge for Android 15 watt or for the iPhone with 7.5 watt. And for Apple Watch, 5 watt Apple Watch fast charger adjusted to stand upright in the nightstand or lies flat. You can choose. And the AirPods, 5 watt fast charging effectively powered the compatibility AirPods for an additional phone with a wireless charging capabilities. And double power charge 2 phones if you need it. The charging base of the AirPods can also wireless charge an additional phone. Whenever hosting a friend or a guest, they can conveniently place their phone for a swift charge. And Flex View Charger, tailored charging and matched stability. This enables the optimal phone positioning for viewing and charging. Its weighted base ensures it remains stable on our desk during adjustment or when picking up our phone. And we have an Anywhere Power home and office charge mate, designed for the dynamic lifestyle. It effortlessly fits into both our home and office environments. We charge our essential devices simultaneously, thus keeping us connected all day long. And we have a desk setup harmony. Life and work is balanced with that. Building an Intel-Tech ecosystem with a Bangs Infinity Pro makes a good job with nearly all our phone and tablets, if you like it. It's also on the market. You can choose this too, and makes it possible for an pad to recharge this easy peasy in the stand. Bangs uses here high quality materials, and it looks so modern. It looks so fashionable, and it's so easy. It's easy to reload your Apple Watch in a flat area. But if you have a solo band, for example, you can reload it upright positioned. That means you have 2 possibilities for reloading on the Apple Watch area. And you have also on the left side 2 options to reload your AirPods, of course, by wireless charging, or you can recharge an Qi standard or wireless reloadable smartphone like an Android phone or something else, or of course a smartphone like an iPhone. That's possible. And on the big stand in the upper position, this is for our Apple iPhone. with MagSafe. And this you can dock there by using the magnets, and it stays there and it is rotatable, 360 rotatable. This all brings us the Banks Infinity Omni 3-in-1 wireless charger stand. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!